Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on Python with webcam, like recognizing the facial emotion recognition using webcam using Python, then face recognition using Python, then detection of emotions from image using Python. So we have used lot of videos on webcam. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. Here we are going to see, let's begin with first phase of project. Like here face will be detected and simply create data set where we can store the name of person and a group of photos with the portion that was used for face detection in the folder, that is the data set. So let us go through the Python file first. First of all, first two statement, importing required module needed for the program. The next statement, if the variable is not set the variable. Here label is there for the image that we need to store in the data set, that label should be given. Then mode, I want auto mode in this program, and if the mode is manual, then this training module, this part will be there. And if the mode is auto, then images, how many images to be a number of images to record per class, then delay of the second and delay between the image, means one after second frame, third frame. Then path, you need to give the name of data set or the folder where you want to store images. Then if path is not there, then create mk. Now this part, I want to store the image which is there in webcam. That part I want to do. Then name test, name window, the frame which will appear, that the name of frame will be test. Then count, then if the mode is manual, then this part, and if it is auto, then read frame by frame, then test, and in that this part exit, no, it will after 1 millisecond it will be exit. Then press escape to exit and release the webcam and release all the close all window and release the memory. Now I will execute the program. Yes, label, training mode auto, number of images per class I want 5, delay between recording image 3, delay between images capture 3, folder FACES, folder, that is dataset. Now yes, images has been taken, we will check it out. Yes, so first with name, this name, then second and third. So we have successfully, I am successful in creating a data set where we can store the image and name of the image. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching it patiently. Thank you.